$16,999. That's one graphics card on Newegg today, 96 gigabytes of VRAM. Or rent the exact same card, $1.69 an hour. That gap is this entire video. Qwen3.8-27B is the open model everyone wants to run. Its weights alone, 55.6 gigabytes. Your gaming GPU is not enough. A rented one is 48, 80, or 96 gigs. You'll know which class, the true monthly cost, and the traps to dodge. Start with what you're loading. 27,781,000,000 parameters. Dense. Everyone fires. Apache licensed. Context. 262,000 tokens. In BF16, the weights are 55.6 gigabytes. Too big for any 48 gig card. BF16 wants 2 H100s. The official FP8 build, 30.9 gigabytes. That runs on one 40 gig plus GPU. Community 4-bit files, 17 to 19. Now the twist nobody mentions. Only 16 of its 64 layers store attention history. The other 48 keep a constant size state. The cache stays tiny. At full context, the recipe reports room for 377,000 KV tokens. Long context is nearly free, so pick your class. 3 rental classes. At 48 gigs, FP8 fits with headroom, run pods, A6000, 33 cents an hour, TensorDock, 45, Hyperstack 50, L40S, 79 cents. On Vast's marketplace, S6000s float from 27 cents. Prices move hourly. At 80 gigs, you're buying speed. A 100 from $1.19. H100 from $1.99. 3.35 terabytes a second of memory bandwidth versus 864 gigabytes on that L40S. Decode speed follows bandwidth. At 96 gigs, everything fits, even BF16, the RTX PRO 6000 Blackwell, $1.69 on RunPod, $1.85 on Hyperstack, H100 NVL 259, and the big clouds? AWS, $6.88 for the same H100, 2 to 3 times the specialists, same silicon, different logo. Now the bill nobody advertises. Storage never sleeps. Stop your pod, the meter keeps running. RunPod's volume disk, 10 cents per gig per month, running. Stopped? 20. The rate doubles. Lambda's meter has exactly 2 ends, launch and terminate. Idle hours bill like busy ones. But an honest month is cheap. 30 evening hours on that 33-cent A6000, $9.90. Plus 100 gig volume, 7 more, $17. The traps are what kill you. Stopping doesn't reserve your GPU. Come back Monday, 0 GPUs. Vast bills bandwidth both directions into negative balance, and credits are non-refundable. The rule: terminate, don't stop. Weights live on Hugging Face. Redownloading beats remembering. Setup is 4 moves. 1. Rent the pod. 2. Install vLLM, version 0.17 or newer. 3. 1 serve line. vLLM, serve, the FP8 model. The recipe's flags, max model length, 262K, KV cache D-type, FP8. First boot pulls 31 gigabytes and compiles. Minutes, once, then it's cached. 4. The payoff. This server speaks OpenAI. Base URL, your pod, port 8000/V1. API key, the word empty. Every OpenAI client you already wrote now points at your own GPU. You pay for hours, not tokens. Change one line. Keep your code. So, rent or buy. The 96 gig card, $17,000. Renting it, $1.69. Break even, 10,000 hours. That's 419 days, non-stop. A weekend builder rents for years. Want to own anyway? A Mac Studio holds the full model, $52.99. And home power isn't free. A flagship GPU burns about $0.10 an hour. But cloud loses somewhere. Your prompts run on a stranger's machine. Vast's own docs say encrypt first. Spot instances die on 2 minutes. Notice. Best effort. A forgotten pod bills every second forever. If your data can't leave the building, buy the card. Everyone else, rent first. Every price, every doc, every receipt, linked in the description below.